The adjustable Cora CN-73 well light. Cora CN-73 well light is a versatile addition to the Cora collection. A series of select brass fixtures that combine modern style, corrosion-proof performance, and innovative lighting adjustments. As a smart uplighting solution for trees and tall structures, this fixture features a durable select brass faceplate, debris-resistant polycarbonate lens, and fully aimable par 36 lamp for precise beam targeting. The light source height is adjustable. Raise it for maximum output or lower it to reduce glare. With 20 degrees of tilt, the fully aimable par 36 lamp lets you target light exactly where you need it. Its reversible housing allows for glare-reducing angled installations or discrete flat-side setups, empowering designers with multiple aesthetic and functional options. Engineered to withstand harsh conditions in style, the CN-73 is ideal for projects that demand lasting performance and discreet design. The internal construction sleeve supports two installation orientations: flat for a flush, hidden look, or angled for added glare control. A pre-installed 26-foot, 8-meter lead offers wiring flexibility across job sites, and the fixture accepts standard low-voltage power from any compatible transformer. At the heart of the CN-73 is a high-performance par 36 LED lamp, a powerful light source that offers an adjustable height and 20 degrees of tilt for precision aiming. The fixture is available in 9 VA, 12 VA, and no lamp options. Whether designers are seeking glare-reducing angled installations or discrete flat-side setups, the CN-73's reversible housing delivers the versatility they need to customize their lighting with confidence. Featuring superior material quality, intuitive installation, and unmatched flexibility, this well light is the go-to solution for projects demanding precision, discretion, and resilience. Thank you for choosing FX Luminaire. For more information, go to fxl.com.